Ever dreamt of finding the perfect summer vacation spot in Queenstown, New Zealand? Picture this, a place where the sun shines brighter, the air is crisper, and adventure is just around every corner. Welcome to Queenstown, New Zealand, a renowned summer vacation destination that's brimming with life and energy. Nestled amidst majestic mountains and set against the stunning backdrop of Lake Wakatipu, Queenstown is a true gem of the South Island. This vibrant town boasts a unique blend of natural beauty, a rich cultural tapestry, and a plethora of outdoor adventures that are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature enthusiast, or a culture vulture, Queenstown has something to offer everyone. From bungee jumping off the Kawarau Gorge suspension bridge to sipping on some of the world's best Pinot Noir in the region's lush vineyards, every experience in Queenstown is a memory in the making. So, ready to discover the top 5 summer vacation spots in Queenstown? Buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the stunning Lake Wakatipu. This shimmering jewel enveloped by snow-capped peaks is not just another beautiful lake, but a wonder of nature that will leave you awestruck. Its deep blue waters stretch over 50 miles, making it the longest lake in New Zealand. The lake's unusual lightning bolt shape is the result of its glacial origins, and it's surrounded by an array of mountains, the highest of which is Mount Earnslaw, standing tall at 9,000 feet. The beauty of Lake Wakatipu is not just skin deep. Its depths hold an array of trout and salmon, making it a fishing enthusiast's dream. The lake is notorious for its ever-changing moods, with placid waters one moment and choppy waves the next. This unpredictability adds a thrilling touch to any fishing expedition. But perhaps the most exciting way to experience Lake Wakatipu is by jet boating. These high-speed boats will take you on a thrilling ride, zipping across the water and performing adrenaline-pumping spins. You'll feel the cool spray of the lake on your face as you marvel at the stunning scenery whizzing by. For those seeking a more peaceful experience, scenic cruises are an excellent choice. As you glide across the water, you can soak in the grandeur of the Remarkables mountain range and the tranquility of the surrounding forests. The lake's mirror-like surface beautifully reflects the sky above, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of blues and whites. As the day draws to a close, don't miss the opportunity to witness a sunset over Lake Wakatipu. The sky turns a brilliant palette of oranges and purples, casting a magical glow over the water. It's a sight that will stay with you long after your vacation ends. Lake Wakatipu is more than just a sightseeing spot. It's a playground for thrill seekers, a haven for nature lovers, and a sanctuary for those seeking peace and tranquility. From the exhilarating jet boat rides to the serene scenic cruises, there's something for everyone here. Truly an adventurer's paradise, wouldn't you agree? Moving on to number 4, we have the tranquil Queenstown Gardens. Nestled within the bustling heart of Queenstown, the gardens offer an oasis of calm and tranquility. With majestic trees that have stood the test of time, and an array of vibrant flowers that paint the landscape with their brilliant hues, the Queenstown Gardens are a feast for the senses. The scent of blooming roses mingles with the crisp air, creating an atmosphere that's as refreshing as it is serene. The gardens are a celebration of Queenstown's natural beauty, showcasing a wide variety of flora. From the delicate cherry blossoms that bloom in the spring, to the fiery reds and oranges of the autumn foliage, each season unveils a new spectacle of color and life. And let's not forget the rhododendrons, azaleas, and the stunning rose gardens that add a touch of romance to the air. But the Queenstown Gardens are more than just a feast for the eyes. They're a playground for the adventurous at heart. With a well-laid-out frisbee golf course, the gardens offer a unique and fun way to enjoy the outdoors. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newbie, frisbee golf is a great way to soak in the beauty of the gardens while indulging in a bit of friendly competition. And for those who prefer a slower pace, the gardens are perfect for leisurely strolls. Wander along the winding paths, listen to the symphony of birdsong, and let the world fade away. There's nothing quite like the peace and tranquility that comes from being surrounded by nature. The gardens also offer stunning views of Lake Wakatipu and the surrounding mountains, making it a picturesque spot for picnics. Picture this, a sunny afternoon, a basket full of delicious treats, and a view that's nothing short of breathtaking. Sounds like a perfect summer day, doesn't it? A peaceful retreat in the heart of the city, Queenstown Gardens is a must-visit. So, when you're in Queenstown, make sure to carve out some time to explore this gem. You'll be glad you did. Next up, at number 3, we have the thrilling Skyline Gondola. Imagine yourself soaring high above Queenstown, nestled in a comfortable gondola, with the whole world unfolding beneath you. That's the experience the Skyline Gondola offers. It's not just a ride, but a journey into the heart of this beautiful city, providing an unparalleled perspective of Queenstown's mesmerizing vistas. As you ascend, the city shrinks away, replaced by a breathtaking panoramic view. The majestic Remarkables mountain range, the shimmering Lake Wakatipu, and the sprawling cityscape of Queenstown all come into view. It's a sight to behold, a memory to cherish, a photo opportunity you don't want to miss. But the adventure doesn't stop at the top. Once you reach the summit of Bob's Peak, you're in for another treat: the Skyline Luge. This gravity-fueled ride is a fun-filled thrill for all ages. With 2 tracks to choose from, the scenic or the adventurous, you can take control and navigate your way down the mountainside at your own pace. Feel the wind in your hair, the rush of adrenaline, and the joy of freedom as you twist and turn down the hill. The Skyline Gondola and Luge is a 2-for-1 adventure. It's a chance to marvel at the natural beauty of Queenstown from high above, and then immerse yourself in it with a thrilling descent. It's a place where fear and excitement coexist, where the beauty of nature meets the thrill of adventure. It's a must-visit destination for anyone seeking more than just a vacation, but an experience. So, whether you're a thrill seeker looking to get your adrenaline pumping, a nature lover wanting to soak in the stunning views, or a family seeking a fun-filled day out, the Skyline Gondola and Luge has something for everyone. For an adrenaline rush with a view, the Skyline Gondola is your perfect match. Coming in at number 2, we have the breathtaking Coronet Peak. Just a short drive from Queenstown, this scenic locale transforms into a ski resort during the winter months, offering a host of thrilling sports activities. Coronet Peak is not just any ski resort, it's a winter playground that boasts some of the most diverse terrains in New Zealand. Whether you're a seasoned skier looking to challenge yourself, or a beginner seeking to learn the ropes, Coronet Peak has you covered. It's the perfect place to carve your own path down the slopes, or maybe even engage in a friendly snowball fight. But the fun doesn't stop at skiing. Coronet Peak also offers a range of other winter sports activities. From snowboarding to sledding, there's something for everyone in this winter wonderland. And if you're not a fan of sports, don't worry. The stunning views from the peak are worth the trip alone. Imagine standing at the top of the peak, looking out at the vast expanse of snow-covered slopes, the distant mountains, and the sparkling blue lake below. It's a view that's sure to take your breath away. And as the sun sets, painting the sky in shades of pink and orange, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. So, if you're a lover of snow, stunning views, and thrilling sports, Coronet Peak is the place to be. For snow lovers out there, Coronet Peak is your winter wonderland. And finally, topping our list at number 1, we have the magnificent Milford Sound. Often described as the 8th wonder of the world, Milford Sound is a fusion of spectacular natural features with an incredible visual play of light and shadow. Imagine this: towering peaks rising straight from the darkest sea depths, rainfall cascading down as myriad waterfalls, and the serene sound of nature humming in the background. Milford Sound is a place where the grandeur of the landscape can take your breath away. The waterfalls here are nothing short of magical. After a heavy rain, hundreds of them cascade down the cliff faces, some reaching 1,000 meters in height, and when the rain clears, rainbows form across the sky, adding to the beauty of the scene. Don't be surprised if you spot a pod of dolphins frolicking in the waters or seals basking on the rocks. The wildlife here is as diverse as the scenery itself. To truly experience the beauty of Milford Sound, consider taking a boat cruise. Glide through the inky waters, get up close to the waterfalls, and marvel at the towering cliffs. These cruises offer an unparalleled perspective of this stunning fjord, showing you hidden corners and secret waterfalls that you can't see from the shore. Truly a sight to behold, Milford Sound is the crown jewel of Queenstown. This place is a testament to the raw, untouched beauty of nature. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventurer, or just someone seeking tranquility, Milford Sound is a must-visit. And there you have it, the top 5 summer vacation spots in Queenstown, New Zealand. From the crystal-clear waters of Lake Wakatipu to the lush, serene Queenstown gardens, we've explored the best that this vibrant city has to offer. We've soared high above the city on the Skyline Gondola, marveling at the breathtaking panoramas that unfold before our eyes. We've taken on the thrilling slopes of Coronet Peak, pushing our adrenaline levels to the max. And finally, we've journeyed to the majestic Milford Sound, a place so beautiful it seems to belong in a fairy tale. each of these incredible destinations offers its own unique blend of adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty. They're not just places to visit, but experiences to be savored, memories to be made. So why not make Queenstown your next summer vacation destination? Let its enchanting landscapes and thrilling adventures leave you with unforgettable moments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel guides. Safe travels, everyone!